everything changes.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the channel. It's Tuesday. It's February 16th, 2021, if I'm not mistaken. And wanted to cover something a whole bunch of you guys posted and sent me stories of, and I kind of knew about, but I didn't really take the time to make a video. I apologize. There's that sun in sunny Florida. In case any of you are wondering, there is snowstorms everywhere. People accuse me of faking living in Florida. Well, where else is it 85 degrees in this country right now? Except Florida. So stay safe, all of you in the Texas and all those states that got snow. With that said, the topic, you saw it in the title, my good buddy Dominic at Primetime Treasure Hunter covered this. eBay is imposing a new $20 fee. It's actually not new, guys. It's sort of new, but not new. So let's backtrack and reverse the story. I'm gonna make this short, and then I'm just gonna link Dominic's video below. Go check out his video for the full explanation. But back in the day, when PayPal was your processor, if you had a chargeback that you were found responsible for, like a chargeback against, I don't know, an item not as described or damaged or something, you were imposed a $20 fee for them having to cover the case, right? So it was a fee for the trouble. Well, fast forward to managed payments, which some of you aren't even on yet, but if you are on it, it might seem new to you. eBay is doing the exact same $20 fee in the event of a chargeback that you are found responsible for. The problem is, in some cases, it may not be your fault and it may not be something that you were ultimately deemed responsible for, but the fee will still be there. So two things. One, you're gonna have to determine that and figure out if you qualify to have that fee removed. And two, you're gonna have to get in touch with eBay, which may include eBay for Business on Facebook, in order to get that fee taken off for you. So without further explanation or me going into it like crazy, I'm just gonna go ahead and link Dominic's video. Go ahead and check that out. But again, it is a fee, a $20 fee for any chargeback. So if somebody has to come after you for item not as described and charge back to their credit card, whether they're right or wrong, they're gonna pop up that fee. And then you're either gonna have to win the case to get it removed or prove to eBay that it is not your responsibility, and then they'll get rid of that fee. If it is your responsibility or you made a mistake or whatever the case, you are gonna have to pay that $20 fee. So Dominic explains it perfectly. I'll link the video below. Please go check it out. But yeah, there is a $20 fee. It is not new. It is something that PayPal did before. It is obviously new to managed payments because managed payments is new. And if you're not on managed payments, it'll be new to you when you come on. Most of you should never have to worry about it though. All right, so like I said, hopefully you will not be responsible for that at any point in time. And if you are, you can contact eBay for Business on Facebook, and they should be able to help you get removed, especially if it's not your fault. If it is your fault, just be prepared. It's $20 for you making a mistake. It'll be a lesson learned. You'll suck up the 20 bucks, add it to an expense, and move along, guys. So Dominic's video is below if you want to read more about it and hear more about it. Otherwise, it's something most of us should not have to worry about. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. Give that video a big thumbs up for giving you the news, even sometimes when I link it to someone else. And I appreciate all of you that are subscribed to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications so that you don't miss any more upcoming news, stories, or things that you better know about, like a $20 fee just in case. All right, guys, see you next time.